10th first.
10th first one. 7A, 10th one. Simplify first one. Write today's date. 10th first one. X raised to A divided by X raised to B, the whole raised to A square plus AB plus B square into X raised to B by X raised to C, the whole raised to B square plus BC plus C square into X raised to C by X raised to A, the whole raised to C square plus CA plus A square. So how can we do this? Any idea?
Not a lengthy question.
First, LHS is equal to that we have to prove. No, simplify only. Not prove that question. Simplify only. This we have
Simplify.
to simplify. So this we can replace it as what? X raised to A by X raised to B. Do in the working column. What about X raised to A divided by X raised to B? It will be what? A raised to M divided by A raised to N.
A raised to Mn.
A raised to
A minus N.
is it Mn?
A raised to
M
A
minus
to M minus N.
M minus.
A raised to M minus.
So say
So
here. Do in the
X
working
raised
column.
to A minus B.
X raised to A minus B.
A minus B. Write this in the working column. Near to this step itself you write, that is better. Then whole raised to A square plus AB plus B square. Okay.
X raised to B minus C.
X raised to B minus C.
B minus C.
B minus C, the whole raised
The
to
whole raised to B square plus BC plus C.
BC plus C square.
into
X raised to C
X
minus
raised
X
A.
raised to C minus
C
A.
minus A all raised
whole
to
raised to
C
C
square
square
plus
CA
X
plus
CA
square
plus A
plus
square.
CA plus A square.
A square. Then
Next.
next what we can do? A raised to M, the whole raised to N is what? A raised to Mn.
A raised to Mn.
X raised to
So
A
say
minus
So
X
A
raised to A minus B.
X raised to A minus B
B
into
Into
A
A square plus
square
AB
plus
plus B square.
AB
plus B square.
into what?
X raised to B minus C.
C into B square plus BC plus
B square plus BC plus C square into
X raised to C
X raised to
minus
C
A
minus
X raised to
into
C minus A into
square plus
C
plus
square
CA
plus CA plus A square.
Okay, so what is this?
Ma'am, A square plus AB plus B square is in the form of A plus B the whole
No,
square.
it is
or
no
2AB
2AB.
will not be coming.
2AB we can't do.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
A
in the
raised to M into A raised to N.
identity. You studied one identity. Just to try it. After that only I will say. No idea?
A plus B all to B already.
Yeah, okay. You are trying that. Okay. A plus B whole
A
cube.
plus B whole cube
A cube plus 3A
plus
square
3
plus 3 AB square plus
AB
C.
square
This is
plus
near to that. Near to that. Near to that. What is that?
ma'am A plus B into A plus B whole square.
We studied one formula. A cube minus B cube is equal to and a cube plus b cube is equal to, any idea? A cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into
A minus B
plus ab plus b
is
square. If it is minus, starting also minus. So what about a cube plus b cube? What will be the answer?
A plus B into
A
A
plus
cube
B
plus AB
into
plus
A square plus
A square
A square
minus
minus minus
minus
minus
minus
AB
AB
minus
plus
B
B
square.
square.
plus
C square.
If it is minus, first one will be plus. If it is plus, the first one will be minus. So write this formula in the working column or somewhere near starting also. We wrote some formula, indices formula, no? There itself you write if you have space, or otherwise near the working column of this question. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, that you should study by heart.
so x raised to A cube minus B cube.
Is equal to x raised to a cube
A cube minus B cube into x raised to B cube minus B C square or C cube.
cube. B cube minus c cube. And the others understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what about x raised to
X
next one?
raised to C cube minus A cube.
C cube minus A cube. Then
Then it is easy, no? Same base. So we can
A
X raised to
m
A
into
cube
A raised
minus
to
B
n.
cube plus B cube minus
x
C
raised to
cube.
A cube minus
X
B
raised
cube into B cube minus C.
into, not into, not into.
No, plus plus
No.
plus.
X raised
Plus.
plus
B cube minus
plus
C plus C cube
Plus
minus
C
plus
cube
C cube
minus A cube.
A cube.
Why we
Same.
are writing,
Positive and
why we are writing this form? That is, we know a raised to m into
yes.
a raised to n is what? A
Raised
raised to
to m
m
plus
plus n. That concept we are applying here, no? A raised to m into a raised to n. Okay. So how can we write x raised to?
Ma'am,
0.
positive, negative
positive A
Cube and
Positive A
minus
minus
A
cancel.
and
negative A
minus
cancel
B
negative
plus
B
B cube
0.
X raised to 0, which is equal to what?
1.
Last line you can see, no? Can you see the last line 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Want to adjust my laptop now? Is it clear now? Download.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any doubt in
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
Then 10th
Second one.
10th second one. Same only, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus
Same.
is there.
X raised to a divided by x raised to negative b. This is the second question. Same model you can do. Instead of a square
What?
plus ab plus b square, it is a square minus ab plus b square. Then same
Ma'am,
way.
then
Same way. Do it. Here
okay, ma'am.
same type. Just try it. C square minus ea plus a square. Same model. So what will be this one? X raised to a by x raised to negative b. So if we take that to the,
Negative.
it will become what?
Positive.
Positive.
That means how we will get that? X raised to a minus that will be what? X raised to, do in the working column, x raised to a minus x raised to b means what? A minus b, no. So b is what here? Negative b. So automatically that will become what?
X raised to A plus B.
A plus b. Two negatives will come, no. Already formula negative, and the denominator we have what? Power negative. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So it will become to
A plus B.
Just I'm changing here. I think it is okay for you. Then this only correction. No? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is what?
A cube plus B cube.
A
A
cube
cube
plus b
plus
cube.
B
That
cube.
only we need to correct. No? A cube plus
So
here a cube plus b
X
cube. Here
raised to
b cube plus c cube.
B cube plus C cube.
B cube.
So this will change. No? Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing to cancel. Here nothing to cancel. So
No.
we can write as x
Only add.
a cube
Oh,
plus
A cube plus B cube plus B cube plus C cube plus C cube plus C cube.
is x raised to
Uh,
a cube plus a cube is what? 2a cube. B cube plus b cube is 2b cube. C cube plus c cube is 2c cube.
2C
Then-
cube.
In that power, we can take 2 common, no? 2
Yes,
common.
ma'am.
Then rearrange the a cube plus
A
b
cube plus B cube plus C cube.
That is our final answer.
Ma'am, if we don't take the 2 common, the mark will go.
Oh, for maximum simplification, you have to do.
And what else our mark to go?
Mark will go.
Ma'am, but in the
What,
exam we
ma'am?
will not remember
Where you don't have
to
range.
simplify.
Up to this, you can do means what a simple step only.
Ma'am, like last we will forget in the exams.
You are practicing,
then
no.
mark will go.
Take a
You are not LKG student. You should remember these all things. 2 means, you can see.
Ma'am, sometimes.
Sometimes if you are studying for higher studies means when you see me means that ma'am I forgot in which school.
Oh,
Because you say
I
you will
will-
do that all things
I
also.
will
No?
sometimes.
You will do like that way.
No.
That much familiar you
Oh no.
and you.
I mean sometimes you will do.
After 10 years you will say like that way, no? Samuel.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Agash only will say.
Same way. Don't forget. If you are forgetting these all things means you will forget me too. After 10 or 15 years.
Agash only will say that.
No.
Okay. So 7B next. Can we do 7B? We can start now. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
7. Complete, not completed. Okay. After completing, write as exercise 7B, question number 1. Solve for x. We have to find the value of x. Solve for x means we have to find the value of it. Value of x. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Complete.
Completed. Okay. Then 7B first one. Very easy question. 7B.
And now it's after Onam very tough.
Why?
Ma'am said geometry.
Don't worry about that. Now you study these all things, then no problem. You don't have the board exam. No, it is clear. Don't worry. You don't have the board exam.
No board
Then no.
exam.
No board exam.
Circular case.
Ma'am.
Thank you. Nice news.
How?
Good news to all.
Ma'am, it was in the
Then
newspaper.
Amil will not study max again.
ma'am, that is problem. Ma'am, I will study. I like maths.
Solve for x. Solve for x. So first one, 2 raised to 2x plus 1 is equal to 8. 2 raised to 2x plus 1 is equal to 8. What we can do? Usually we are doing no. Some are not like us means what we will do. We will make
2 raised to 2x
You
plus 1
say
is equal
some.
to 2 raised to 2.
2 cube.
we have to
2 cube.
say what we are doing same way. We have to
Cube.
change
Adjust.
their character
Adjust them.
like us. Or we will change the character of them or our
Their
character.
character.
So same way, which one we have to change, which is good. 2 raised to 2x plus 1 can we change in terms of 8 or 8 in terms of 2 raised to?
8.
Which is good.
8 in terms of 2 raised
In
to
terms of
8.
Which 8 in terms of 2. So how can we write 2 raised to 2x plus 1 is
2x plus
equal
1 equal to
2 cube.
2 raised
2 cube.
2
2
cube.
cube.
2 cube.
2 cube.
If bases are
So-
equal means what we can say, if base 2 are equal means we can equate the powers also. So
Yes. 2x plus 1 is equal to
2x
3.
plus 1 is
so
equal to 3.
sometimes
2
2x
raised to
plus 1
2.
is equal to 3 raised to 3. Can we write the 2x plus 1 is equal to 3? Can we
No.
write? Why? Because
No. Is
2
No.
equal.
and 3. They are not equal. If bases are equal, then only we can write the
Powers are
powers.
equal.
Okay. So tell me 2x plus 1
2x
is
plus
equal to
1
2x
is
plus 1 is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 2.
minus 1.
X is equal to 2 by 2, 1.
solve for x. Okay. Solve for x only. Okay.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Tell me.
In the second, 2 raised to 2x plus 1. Then the 2 will go.
Which 2?
Second.
This one.
That 2.
Then what about this 2? I only wrote which one? 3 only, no? That power only I wrote, no? In this steps.
And
That
then
Ah,
only power 1 right.
that means if bases are equal, we can equate which one? That powers. That means I will tell you. 2
Base.
raised to 3. Suppose 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 3 is what?
8.
8 is what?
8.
In terms of 2.
Value. 2 raised to 3.
8 can be written as 8 itself. 2 can be written as 2 itself. 3 can be written as 3 itself. No, then only it will be equal. Isn't it? So, 2 raised to 3 is 8. Value is 8. But in terms of powers, this 8 we can write as what?
2 raised to 3.
2 raised to
3.
3 only? No. Can we write it 2
Yes,
raised
ma'am.
to 4? Can we write 2 raised to
No.
2 raised to 3 is 8. That means 2 raised to 3 is 8. We can write it as 2 raised to 3 only. Can we write 2 raised to 4 or 2 raised to 5?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Why? Then only the value will be
Because
same.
the
Here 8
value
means,
will not correct.
correct value will not, we will not get the correct value. So if we write 2 raised to 3, then only we will get 8 is equal to 8. Understood? Others? So if bases are equal, means if bases
can take
are
the
equal,
power.
2 equal, then if base here 2, then automatically which one will be equal?
Powers.
We will write 3 only, no? Or 4 we will write. Why we are writing 3? Then only answer will be correct, no? That's why we are writing automatic.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing or unknowingly, we will write here as 3 only. Can we write 4?
No, ma'am.
Or we will write simply 2? No, we will not write
No.
5. 8 means we know it is what? 2 raised to 3 is
I'm
equal to
understood.
2 raised to 3 itself. That is the meaning. So that means if we don't have the power, exact value of that power means what we will do? If bases are equal, we can directly write the powers will be equal. Then only we will get the correct value. Understood? So you avoid this base and write that powers. Then what about the second one? Anyone completed that second one? In between this explanation.
Doing.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2 raised to 5x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 2 raised to 3x plus 1.
I completed that question.
Okay, okay.
4 we want to change to 2 raised to 2 into
2 raised to 5x minus 1.
Ma'am,
2 raised to 2
Raised to 2.
two
into
raised to
into
3x
2
raised to 3x plus
so
1.
3x.
a raised to m into a raised to n
See, very good. A
and a
raised
raised to m plus n.
maximum simplification.
5x minus 1
2 raised to
2
2
plus
into
3x
2
plus
plus
1
3x
2
plus 1.
plus
3x plus
3x
1.
plus
3x
1
plus 1.
5 because A raised to m into A raised to n is
to
equal
a
to
plus n is equal
m
to
plus
a
m plus n.
m plus n. Maximum simplification you want to do. After that only what? Equate the powers. So
Yes.
2 raised to
Then the 5x is equal
equal to 2 raised
5x.
2 plus 1.
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3x.
3x.
Then
Okay.
only power.
Bases
Then
are same, so
bases are
powers will
equal
be
means
same.
powers
then
equal.
we
5
can equate the
5x minus
power.
is
5x.
equal to 3 plus 3x
5x minus 1 is equal to 3 plus
5x
3x.
is equal
5x
Then
minus 3 is
5x
equal to 3
3x
plus
will
1.
come to LHS side. We can
5x minus 3x. 3 plus 1.
plus
3
1
plus
three
more.
1
plus 1.
So
So
2x is
2x
equal
is
to
equal to
2x is
4.
equal to 4.
2x is equal
X
to
is equal
4
to 4
x
by
is equal
2.
to
2 is equal
4
to
by 2
2.
It is equal to 2. Okay. Then same way, question number 3, do it. Third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Which day we started this exercise 7A, this chapter? Which day? Anyone
Not
wrote
remember.
date? Anyone have written that date? Evaluate first question. No, 7A first question. Any idea which day we started? No. If you have any idea, please inform me. Okay. So I forgot it. I didn't remember. Okay, just give me a message. Okay, if you know it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Second, okay, third question. Solve for x, third one. I know. Then one more thing, main thing. You all have your max textbook, 10th max text with you, no? You bought that,
Yes,
no?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am. Why we buy they we that.
You got that max textbook, no? In that bundle, you are getting that 10th max text instead of 9th.
yes
9th we
ma'am
have already done.
Very huge
How many of you
textbook.
don't have your 10th max text? Please raise your hands. How many of you don't have your? So November onwards we have to buy that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Only one or two, no? So November onwards we
As
need.
but in this book, they are like 2022.
No problem. That you don't worry. We will adjust and we will give you. Okay. That all things we will give you. Extra questions.
Ma'am, is there any problem for all texts?
What?
All the texts?
All the text?
Max 10th, all the texts. Is there any problem for all the texts?
Old text. Old text means some questions will be different. That's all. You can adjust. Right?
And this is 2022 year.
No problem. If it is the last year's text means no problem. You can take that also. Okay. Sometimes a question number will be different, and some extra questions, 1 or 2 questions will be extra will be there. That's all. That while we are doing, you have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
you have to take a you have friends, no, they will give you that question, no. Tell them to send through WhatsApp. So no problem. Don't
And
worry.
ma'am will write in that board
Questions. Questions.
While doing. Yes, ma'am will write
No,
all the.
questions. I will not write questions. Because why we are this question means with that question only I can solve. If I have question in the board, then only I can solve. That's why
Ma'am will write you a question. Then don't worry.
questions means it is a one paragraph type of questions.
Word problems.
Word problems model, some chapters are there. So how can
That means one day 2 problems we can solve.
I can't write anything in my board. Only question will be there. Answer you have to do your own.
No, ma'am. Question no need.
So if you read a question means I will write question and you will find the answer.
No, ma'am.
And
Then
yeah,
so
we
many
will write the question.
homework.
Ma'am will write answer.
Better. If you have any problem with the question means just ask your friends. They will send you. No, otherwise by
Okay,
answer.
ma'am.
Okay, then third question. 3
3 raised to 4x.
X plus 1. 27 raised to x plus 1. So
X plus 1.
Ma'am, 27, we can write it
27
as
is
3 raised to 3.
3 raised to 3.
All raised to x plus 1.
3 raised to 3, the whole
3
raised
to
to
4x plus.
A raised to m, the whole
A
raised
raised to m
equal to A raised to m into n.
raised to m, the whole raised to n form is equal to raised to mn. So same
So,
concept can apply.
3
raised
raised to 3x plus 3.
3x
And
plus
4,
3.
4 plus x.
Either you
We
have
can
to
write to 4.
write it like this way, x plus 1 inside brackets, or directly if you can do means directly you can write it as
3x
plus
Yes, 3
1.
raised to
Plus
3x plus 1. 3.
3x plus
And
1.
that
And we
is
can write a common.
3.
And we can write a common.
This method you apply 3 into x plus 1. Don't write
X
3x
plus
plus 1. Don't write 3x plus 1. It is wrong. 3 raised to
And only power. Only power.
no. First you change the brackets.
Ah.
3x plus 3. You can avoid it. If you can
3x
directly
can
write, you can write this.
come to LHS side.
Powers we can equate, no? 4x plus 1 is equal to
4x plus 1
4x
is equal
plus 1
to
is equal to
x
3x.
plus 3.
3x plus 3.
4x
4x
minus
minus 3x
4x minus
equal
3x
to
is equal to
3 minus
3.
1 is equal
3
to 1
minus
x
1
3
equal
x
minus
to
2. X is equal to
1x is equal to 2x is equal to 2.
then fourth one. Fourth question.
49 in terms of 7.
X raised to x plus 4, 7 square. Then 343 can also be written in terms of
7.
7.
7.
Here
cube.
write 7 means here here 7 is there. So automatically it will be possible in 7. Think of that. Okay. That means your
49.
340. Apply
7.
should be 7.
7.
Then how many times?
7.
729.
4
Ma'am, 29 times.
7.
29 times.
14.
7. 7. 7.
29.
7 cube.
7
7
cube.
cube.
Cube. Okay. 49 we can write it as 7 square. No. Whole
Plus
raised.
7 square all raised to x plus 4 equal to 7 square
7 square into
into
7 cube. All
7
raised to
cube
x plus
all raised to x plus 1.
Raised to x plus 1. Okay. Then
Then 7 square into 7 square plus 7
Two
square
x
No,
plus
ma'am.
plus
7 square Ma'am, common we can take it. X
2 will
plus
be
4.
common inside the bracket. 2
X
is
So
common.
plus 4.
So
plus
x
4.
and x plus x
X
plus
plus
4.
4.
X plus
Equal
4.
to 7 square into
7 square.
7 cube
7,
common
3,
x
3x
plus
plus
7
3.
7
4.
into
x
x
plus 1.
plus 1.
7 raised to 2x plus
2x
8.
plus 8.
8
2
7
x
square
plus
into
7
7
square
into
7
into
7
7
raised to
uh,
square
3x
7
plus
raised
3.
to 3x
7 raised to
plus 3.
3x plus 3. Only value that.
No. First
No,
you do maximum
A
will be
raised to m
7
into
raised
A
to
raised
2
to
A
m
raised
plus
to m
3
into A
plus
raised to
3.
n is
A
equal to
raised
A
to
raised to m
A
plus
raised
n.
to m
Plus
plus
3x plus 3.
2
So
plus
7
3x
raised
plus
to
3.
2x plus 8 is equal to 7 raised to 5 plus 3x.
therefore we can maximum try to write like this way equal in same line itself. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, while writing you will get confusion.
Okay, ma'am.
3x plus
2x plus 8 is equal
2x plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 3x.
2x plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 2x is equal to 2x
8x
minus
minus
3x.
5 is equal
5
to
we
3x
can
minus
take to
2x.
left side.
2x we
Yes,
can take
Not
to the
2x.
side.
Right side.
Yes, ma'am.
3x already there.
8
Then
minus 5.
Minus
minus 2.
2x.
8 is there.
8
8 minus
minus
5.
5. 3 is equal to x is equal to 3.
So 3 is equal to what? 3x minus 2x. That is x is equal to 3.
X is equal to
Ma'am, if we bring back 3x to this side, any problem?
3.
Negative sign will be the
Yeah, otherwise, if you write like this instead of this,
Ma'am,
what
is
write?
that correct? Is that correct?
Wait. What is your answer? Tell me. Then only I can say it is correct or wrong. Tell me what you can do.
2x minus 3x
Ah,
for 5 minus
minus
8.
okay. Then what about 2x minus 3x?
Negative 1x. Negative 1x.
Negative 1x.
negative 1x.
Is equal to negative 3.
Negative 3.
Negative.
Negative
X is
X
equal
is
to
equal to negative 3 by negative 1. Negative cancels, so 3.
3.
Is equal to
3.
3. If you are not writing
correct only.
1x, if you are writing only instead of 1x, if you are writing only negative x, what you will do? What you will do?
Negative
Instead
1
of
is 2.
x, what you will
That you
do?
don't know.
Huh?
Ma'am, negative into negative positive.
Negative.
Who told it is positive?
No, in multiplication.
Ma'am,
Negative
negative into negative
negative 1x
positive only.
only.
Here means here what we are doing is dividing through what by a negative. That means negative x divided by negative is equal to negative 3 by a negative only sign. So negative divided by negative is positive. X is equal to negative divided by negative positive. That is x is equal to 3. That is what we are getting. But why I told you to do like this way means in 10th, 4th chapter, linear inequation chapter is there in 10th standard. If you practice like this way, then it will be easy. 10th, 4th chapter will be easy. If you are practicing like this way means that inequality we have to change. Equal means no problem. But there, inequation means less than or equal to, greater than or equal to will be there in between this. Understood? So if you are practicing like
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way, you have to change this inequality. So it will be difficult for next year.
Okay,
Understood?
ma'am.
That's
We
why I
can
told that.
practice this.
Okay, ma'am.
If you practice this method, then no need to change this inequality next year. Directly we can write using the same equal model. Otherwise,
Okay, ma'am.
2 or 3 rules are there in that chapter. That rules you should study by heart.
Ma'am, no rules to study, no rules.
That will be difficult. So instead of that, think of the greater number. So that side you shift it. Okay. That is
Okay,
Okay,
better.
ma'am.
That is good now.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Instead
Yes,
of this
ma'am.
method is convenient.
Yes, ma'am.
This is safe.
I unknowingly do that way.
Don't do like that.
Minus
Okay.
3,
You will make a
minus
mistakes. Practice like that. Okay. This way only you practice it. Otherwise, it will make you confusion. Okay.
Okay.
Next
Then
question.
second
So,
set. Find x and if second set. Find x if 4 raised to 2x is equal to 1 by 32. Easy chapter, no?
yes, ma'am. Very easy. But
Yes, ma'am.
only the formula to study.
The same thing you have to say after the autumn vacation. Okay.
Ma'am, why ma'am? Ma'am
And
is
that will forget. That will forget.
No one will reply. Simply sitting only next term. I know it very well.
And geometry very
Values
tough.
to say, that's fine. That's the main thing. Don't have any values to say. Only theory model. I
ma'am.
don't. But
Ma'am
you should
say the continuation of geometry is there in 10th.
no, only one chapter similarity, but it is not the continuation.
Oh, then okay. Then okay.
It's not there in 10th. Two or 3 years before, this chapter is there in 10th. That geometry chapter, no?
Then they
Think of those
And
students.
thank you for ICSE that to removing that chapter.
To 9th, no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Then we have luck also. In 9th there is no board exam.
We are really
Lucky children.
Yes. Sir.
But the last year students only very lucky. 10th exam, very simple
But
paper.
What simple paper?
Ma'am, they got simple
but-
paper. My cousin had said.
9th marks also added for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
10th
not for
exam.
ICSE, state and all. State and all. They said
State.
easy paper.
well, state they go to all full A plus.
Yes.
I'm
Don't
nearby student study chemistry to max exam and he got to A plus in max.
He is a very brilliant student.
That's right. Okay, 4 raised to 2 is equal to 1 by 32. So how can we do that? 32. Can we write in terms of 432? 4 square or 4 cube or something like that way can we write? 32 in terms of 4. Bases should be equal, no? Then only we can write. So can we write 32 in terms of 4? If not, means what we will do?
Ma'am, for 2 we can write now.
2 is
Better check whether 4 square or 4 cube or
Yes.
4 raised to 4 or something 32 will come.
no.
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
Nothing.
But 2
So we
raised to
can't
5
write.
is
But
Two
coming.
will
so what we
come.
can do?
And 2 raised to 5.
4 we can write in terms of 2 and 32 also in terms of 2 we can write. So, understood why we are changing that 4 also understood, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Same base. Should be in the same base then. That's okay. So 2 raised to 2
2
Square
raised
all
to
raised to
2x.
2x is
is
equal
equal
to
1 divided by 32 is what? 2 ones are 2 balance
plus
ones, 2
1
are
1
2
by
raised to
2
5.
raised to 5.
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5.
2 raised to
2 raised
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5. Then
5.
next step. This we can write it as 2 raised to
2 raised to
2
2
plus
2 into 2x
by
power
4.
5. Here, here numerator, no, simply 2 raised to 4x means what? 2 raised to 4x by 1. So 1 is in the numerator, the right side is in the denominator, 2 raised to 5. So how can we adjust that? Then only we can find the value of x, no?
So
2 raised to 4x into 2 raised to 5.
plus cross
Cross
multiply.
multiply.
Cross
No
multiply.
need of that. Complicated.
4x plus 5.
Not doing that. Simple one method. A raised to m is equal to 1 by or a raised to something.
Ma'am, 2 raised to negative 2.
Somewhat okay. Tell me Akash. 2 raised to
Negative
Others you can
1
do
by 2 raised to 5 is positive. So when we take 2 raised to 5 to numerical, it will be negative.
5. Very good. It will be negative 5. That means 1 by, we studied that. Not only Akash. What about others? Simply sitting in your home, no, without studying anything.
Not simplicity, we are
No,
studying.
ma'am.
1 by a raised to m is what?
A minus m.
Minus
A
a raised to minus
A minus m.
A raised to negative m. So can we write this? 1 by a raised to negative m is what? A raised to m. No. If you are taking to the numerator,
And
it will
2 raised to negative 5.
it can be written as 2 raised to
2
negative
raised
5.
to negative 5.
2 raised to 4x. So bases equal means what we can write?
4x minus 5.
4x is equal to
4x
negative
is equal to what?
X is equal to
Negative
4 by 5.
Negative 5. So x we can write it as x is equal to negative
negative
5
5
by
by
4.
4.
X is equal to negative 5 by 4.
Ma'am, mixed fraction convert to.
No need. 5 by 4 is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Root of. Think of that root. What will be root? We studied that formula. Root. So think of that. Next question. Think and say.
Tomorrow.
Root means what? What we have to change that? How can we change that root? That all things you should remember. Second question. Second one. Root of 2 raised to x plus 3 is equal to 16. So 16, what we have to do in terms of
2 raised to 4.
then think of that root. Root what we can do? Root is what?
Root.
A
A raised to 1 by 2.
1 by 3.
A raised to 1 by 2. A raised to 1 by 3.
A raised to 1 by 3, A raised to 1.
This only we have to apply here. No, a raised to 1 by
Yes, ma'am. A raised to
2 raised to 1 by 2.
2 raised to 1 by x.
2 raised to 1 by
2 raised to x plus 3. The whole raised to
x
Whole
plus
raised
3
to
1 all raised to 1 by 2.
all raised to 1 by 2.
1 by 2, which is equal to 16 in terms of 2 we can write.
2 raised to 4.
2 raised to
4.
others.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
2 raised to 4.
Then next here. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is what? A raised to mn.
A raised to mn
A raised
x
to x
Into 1 by 2.
into 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Then do this calculation in the working column. How can we calculate this? X plus 3 into 1 by 2. How can we
1
do
by
this?
2.
X plus 3 means what? X plus 3 by 1 is 1 only. No?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Numerator into numerator. X plus 3.
X plus 3 by
X plus
2.
3, 2.
By 2. So this we can write as 2 raised to x plus 3 by
Plus
2
3 by 2.
is equal to 2
2
raised
raised to 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Only values.
X
X
plus 3
plus
So
by 2
x
is
plus
equal to
3
4.
by 2
powers
to
we
x
can
is equal to 4. Cancel.
Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So x plus 3. What can be written as 4 by 1? No, cross multiplication possible
yes,
here.
ma'am, cross multiplication.
X
So
plus
x
3
plus 3
X plus 3 is equal to 4 into 8.
x is equal to
Then
8.
x is equal to 8 minus 3, 5.
Okay, so question we can do. No time, no?
Ma'am,
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Rafi. Tell me. The doubt.
ma'am, while writing x plus b by 2 is equal to 4 by 1, we can cancel 4 by 4 with 2.
Either you can write like this way. Not
Ma'am,
cancellation.
can you cancel that?
We can't
Into
cancel. If it is into, then only we can cancel. If it is into, we can cancel. This is only equal.
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
we can't cancel. Instead of this writing 4 by 1, another method is what from here itself. X plus 3 is equal to this division
4
will
into 2.
become
4 into 2.
4
But
into
if
2.
you
4 into
but
2.
if we take this to the right side. So 4 already is
Into 2.
into 2.
2.
Division will become
Into
X plus 3 is equal
Plus
to
3
8.
is equal to
X is
8.
equal to 8 minus 3. X is equal to 5.
X is equal to 8 minus 3. X is equal
That's
to
also
5.
x plus 3 is equal to 8. Take it out. 8. Okay.
Ma'am,
Again,
very,
Okay,
very
ma'am.
simple.
multiplication method of this
Thank you.
change the right side. Thank you all of you. Any
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
1 second.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
No, I am thinking about that homeworks. No, afterwards, after completing this, I will give you. Thank you. Oh, today
Okay,
no.
thank you.
Okay, thank you. Kenny.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.